Hello guys! Welcome to my vlog. I'm here with my co-teacher and my travel buddy.
Haggardness overloadness.
So we're going to run down everything that happened in this trip. So at the first day, around 9 a.m., we traveled from Dipolog City to Cagayan. Cagayan De Oro. Nag-land trip kami, di ba? And then we arrived at around 5 p.m. and then checked in at New Dawn Hotel. So hello guys, we're here and we're eating our dinner.
May fresh mo po? Like sa butcher fresh.
Fresh na. Kami kaya kaan. Nabi sa actually kaning lapas batchoy is kuan ra ni. In front ra sa mo ang stayhan. So very convenient and later we're going to kuan. Sa matatcher, kay sana and everything.
Lining mga hangover me later. Hindi na mag-picture. Higop sa bawal.
Sige guys, so dahil di ako stay. Mait sa amin. Wow!
Meanwhile,
well, it's nice, no? Nice dapat ang accommodation. And the aircon was so full plus cold, and we wondered, we have double bed and then or queen size bed ba to? Or double ra? Double and then there's a single bed. Then medyo spacious po siya kaysa karon nga mong stay.
Pero tungkol sa like miscommunication, wala may breakfast.
Yeah.
few inches later.
SM. And then after that, morning, and then it was our seminar and it was fun.
Day 2.
Hi guys, for the vlog.
Eventually,
May nakikita na lang picture. Picture na lang. 200 na.
So, this is our last day. So, tomorrow morning, we're gonna go na. We initially decided na mag-iligan daw may, but then, we're gonna gikapoy na siya. So, most likely, mukoy na may uli nila tomorrow. That's our trip, and I hope you like the video, and please do subscribe to my channel at Janstinepow and also in my social media accounts and also Misamis.
I'm anonymous.
Guys, thank you for tuning in and I hope everybody's okay and safe, and always remember to make happiness a habit. See you guys next vlog. Bye.